So far, I have seen that the people are so incredibly welcoming. I've been so impressed and just so welcomed by everyone. The scenery is absolutely beautiful, and I love the food, the chai. Well, I don't think that I have ever been welcomed so warmly. And also, I think that something amazing about Pakistan is that you can find so many different landscapes and tourism appeal. You can find mountains, lakes, forests, desert, beaches, so that is great. I have seen so many great examples of religious acceptance. That's actually been quite a surprise to me. For example, I was visiting a church and I saw a Muslim man asking about Christian religion and being told about it, and there were Hindu visitors as well. So just everyone being welcomed is such a great message and example for the world. I think that people should come to Pakistan without letting the negative media impact everything too much. I mean, you have to be careful wherever you are in the world. So here I am careful the same as I would be careful in London or in New York. I think Pakistan is so beautiful, the country is so welcoming that definitely more tourists should come and experience it.